Yeah, so I hurt my back, I would say, about in early January of this year. And I've done like the typical PTs, all that stuff, a little bit of like body movement type stuff to try to get back. And yeah, for the most part, just it's been about stagnant for like 8 to 9 months or past that. And then yeah, I was just looking for any means to try to fix it, and then I came across Coach Chong in fascia training. And before like any type of jumping or even like running would really activate the pain. And now it's like I'm able to jump and run without it hurting as much. Definitely a lot of improvement. Like still a little bit of stuff will hurt it, but for the most part, like huge improvement. And on the athletic side, like I'm able to jump, I feel like a lot easier, effortlessly is a good word, I guess, to describe it. Like I'm able to engage the arch. And before, I feel like doing a vertical jump, I'd put like all into it, like really squat down. Now I feel like I barely even squat down, barely even squat my legs. I just engage. I feel like I just explode off the ground at random times.
Gotcha.
But yeah.
How does this compare to the mainstream rehab that you did with PTs? What do you think about it?
Yeah. A lot more detailed. I feel like with PTs I get basically the same. Oh, you gotta strengthen your core, then I'll do abs and sit-ups and all that stuff. And I feel like that's literally the exact response from every single PT.
Mm.
But as far as detail, yeah, like this is like maybe it's not gonna be like some sweating. At times it can be, but you're not gonna like sit here and sweat profusely. But like as far as like the amount of like concentration you have to put into it and the amount of burn you get, like it's definitely harder than almost any training I've done. And even though you're not going to be like out of breath, like as far as like brain work and putting muscles on burning, it's up there.